Hey everybody, this is Nicholas Dallas with Stratton Terrace Marketing, and we are here to just do another walkthrough video with you guys on how to leverage marketing websites as well as services to your guys' benefit. So today's walkthrough is going to be roles and permissions. So I'm actually going to go ahead and go back to my dashboard here, and I'll show you guys how we can navigate here as well as add someone to your website. So here you can see I have my nicholasdallas.com, and if you want to simply just go ahead and manage roles, this footer section here usually has somewhere in there the manage roles. Mine is located on the left side here under manage roles. However, if you want, you can also navigate to the site actions. Click on that guy, navigate third from the bottom, which is invite people. And then once you get there, you'll notice that we have a bunch of roles here that you can go ahead and apply to. We have admin roles, billing, marketing, blogging, website editors, even just people who need to manage payment roles as well. So how you'll give someone access to this guy here is you'll go right up here to the email input box. And so I'm going to go ahead and put in my email here. And I'm going to go ahead and just choose for the simplicity of this admin co-owner. Now, someone for admin co-owner is someone who is like a board member, a president, a co-founder, someone who kind of needs a lot more access than someone who just will manage billing or the website. So I'm going to go ahead and give me access there, and I'm going to go up to the top right here and say send invite. And now here it's just to clarify for Wix the relationship of this partnership that you guys have, or what is the purpose of this invite. So depending on what it is, right, mine will be a client. It'll be Nicholas Dallas being helped out by Stratton Terrace Marketing. However, you can always say that you are an agency or a freelancer if you are a business, or you can do for a colleague at my business or even other for that matter. So I'll go ahead and press done. And then there you go. It'll show you all the roles and permissions. So as we saw beforehand, NDAL33 was not there. So you can see here that my other email is a website manager, and Stratton Terrace Marketing is the owner / also admin co-owner as well. Right, so you can have multiple roles, multiple people doing the same types of roles. You can even actually navigate to roles and permissions and create new roles for that matter. So guys, we hope this helped. Once again, I'm Nicholas Dallas with Stratton Terrace Marketing. If there's anything else you guys want to see or know more about, please feel free to head over to strattonterrace.com. And if there's any questions, comments, please leave it in the comment section. We would love to get back to you guys. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. And once again, Nicholas Dallas, Stratton Terrace Marketing. We're always here to help you guys out. Feel free to go to my website, reach out to me for a free 30-minute free consultation on the house. Take care.